Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Sharp air conditioner remote control turns on, but it is not communicating with the indoor unit. It is CRMC A665JBEZ. If we check, it is not transmitting infrared. It is showing no unknown or damaged part. If you don't have IR tester, then you can use your mobile phone and press key. It must indicate here. It is not indicating any light. Let's open it and we will see what's wrong here. Let's open it. Because this time the display is on, so no need to check batteries. If it is not transmitting IR, we need to test IR-ED, IR emitting diode. Diode mode. Yes, this IR-ED is not good. IR emitting diode, not good. Large terminal, right side, that is cathode. This is anode. I will take IR-ED from any one remote. I have many remotes. It's not an expensive device. This IR-ED is good. Yes. So this time now this remote started working normally. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.